Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu in glass. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, a cup of strong espresso, a package of ladyfingers, and 3 large eggs. Make sure your mascarpone and eggs are at room temperature for a smoother mixture. Brew your espresso and let it cool down completely before you begin assembling. This preparation ensures a perfect, creamy texture for your dessert. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. Separate 3 egg yolks and whisk them with about 50 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and pale. Next, gently fold in 250 grams of mascarpone cheese until just combined, being careful not to overmix. In a separate bowl, whip the 3 egg whites to stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into the mascarpone mixture. This creates a light and airy cream. It's time to assemble your individual tiramisu desserts. Take your cooled espresso and quickly dip each ladyfinger, one at a time, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Place a layer of these espresso-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen glasses. Follow this with a generous dollop of the mascarpone cream. Repeat these layers, finishing with a smooth, thick layer of cream on top. This layering creates beautiful individual portions. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu glasses and refrigerate them for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set perfectly. Just before serving, dust each portion generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.